Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. So in this video, we are going to see about what is meant by hybrid inheritance. The basic definition of hybrid inheritance is the combination of multiple inheritance. Okay, the combination of various kinds of inheritance is called hybrid inheritance. Let us see an example. Just consider there is a base class. Thus, parent1, parent2 class which inherits this base class. Fine. Now I have a child class which inherits the parent class. This arrow mark is wrong. Okay. We have to put the arrow mark towards the parent. Fine. Now just see here this part. What is the type of inheritance? Hierarchy inheritance. Now see this part. Wait a second. I highlight with different colors. See this part. This is hierarchical inheritance. Fine. Now see this part. This is multiple inheritance. So we have combined two inheritance. So it is called hybrid inheritance. Fine. So this is the example for hybrid inheritance. We have combined these two inheritance to form a new type of inheritance. So this method is called hybrid inheritance. Now let's see the example for it. See here, I have a base class. Inside that I have a member function base. Then this is a method from base class. Then I have a class parent class 1 which inherits the base class. Okay. Then inside that I have a member function and it prints this is a method from parent class 2. Similarly, I have created parent class 2. Okay. Now child class of parent class 1 comma parent class 2. Now the child class inherits parent class 1 as well as parent class 2. Just print this is method from child class. Now I am creating an object for this child class. Whenever I am creating this object for child class, this print statement is automatically invoked. Right? Now I just want this base of, but using the child class object. So it is available or not? Yes, it is available. Because parent class 1 and parent class 2 have the base class, have the base member function. Yes. Child class can access parent class 1 and parent class 2. Yes. Then child class absolutely have base of member function, right? So the answer is this is a method from child class. This is a method from base class here. Fine. Now coming to the second example. Base class is a class. Inside that I have a constructor, base class constructor, then a base member function. This is a method from base class. Parent class 1 which inherit base class. Parent 1 is a member function. This is a method from parent class 1. Similarly, I have created for parent class 2. Then for child class, I have parent class 1 and parent class 2. Inside that, I have a constructor which prints A. Then apart from constructor, apart from member function, apart from data members, I have just a print statement. This is a method from child class. Now child is equal to child class of. So what will the output? When we are creating the object, constructor will automatically invoked. And apart from constructor, apart from data members, apart from member functions, print statement will execute. What is the priority? I already discussed this in class and object video. If you don't know about this, you may see the class and object video in the previous in the previous videos. And see here, this is a method from child class will execute it first, because it is just a print statement, not inside constructor, not inside member function, not a data member, right? Then this constructor get execute. Fine. Now child dot base of. This base is available for child class, right? So it is executed. This is a method from base class. That's all about the hybrid inheritance. We can also form many combination of hybrid inheritance, but in this example, I have given the one example. You may try for n number of examples. Okay. Thank you.